Hi guys, and I think we already saw a video where I removed the makeup using shea butter body cream. But for today's one, let's do the Oops wipes and also Oops remover together, because that way I can discuss them both in what way they are different and what makes it different from the other line. So as you all know, we do carry two different types. One is the liquid Oops remover, and we do carry Oops remover wipes. The first cool thing that sets apart from other brands is they have Senaplex complex in them, which is the like having skincare benefits while you remove the makeup. It is like a makeup remover that's not going to dry out your skin. At the same time, it's going to put back some benefits while doing that. So that's the first cool thing about it. So let's discuss what other ingredients make them different. I do have the foundation, gloss, I have eyeliner, shadows, everything. So that way I can show one side with the wipes and the other side with the liquid. Let's first see the beauty book. The beauty book shows both them together. So if you see the Oops Remover liquid, it says it's good for all skin types, and it leaves the face and eyes feeling cool and relaxed without any oil residue. As you can see, this is a oil based one, but still you when you use it, you shake it well. That way you can mix them and then just apply like a tiny drop. That's what you will be using it, and it's safe for even contact wearers. So that's a very important thing when you consider. And with the liquid one, it has green tea extract that's going to protect against collagen breakdown. So while removing the makeup, if you do use it too harsh, then obviously you are going to spoil your skin. So having these things is going to help not handling them rough. So next one is it has arnica flower extract, which is going to help restore the suppleness. I think I talk about it all the time with the collagen and firmness, and also it once you have that firmness or suppleness, then only you can your skin can feel what is like a really nice and youthful. That's when you won't have the wrinkles, because when the suppleness is reduced, that when you will have wrinkles start appearing. So the last one is spirulina promotes clear complexion. So these three things are pertaining to the liquid one. When it comes to the what is it like the wipes, this is again wipes contains moisturizing, anti-aging botanical ingredients and also Senaplex complex. It has sodium hyalurate which protects against moisture loss. I think sodium hyalurate is again in our climate control, so you can relate to it. So while removing, you're still going to protect the moisture, and it's not going to rip you what's like with dryness, because sometimes when you come out of the shower or even removing makeup, if it is too drying, you feel like your skin is what is it like too harsh, and it's been handled rough. And next, it has aloe vera juice, so it's going to moisturize and help soothe inflammation, and it has vitamin B that helps condition the lashes and brows. So think of a remover that can do these kind of stuff. That makes it really cool. And also if you are using waterproof mascara, then you need to have the liquid one. With the wipes also, it takes it, but it takes a little bit longer time. So that's why we say use the liquid if you're using waterproof mascara. So let's go ahead and do. So I'm going to do the liquid one on the right side, and the wipes on the left side. I like to use these cotton pads while removing the liquid one, because when you use your fingers or hands, you will waste a lot of product. The other way to use it is using the what to say like the climate control sprayer, or else you can use that. So I'm just going to take tiny drop of it, and I'm just going to start wiping out on my right. As I mentioned, you will always start very small amount when it comes to Senagen's makeup, and always give time for it to break down. You can see with that much amount itself, it starts to break down, and it's not going to take a lot of time. At the same time, you are going to have the benefits while removing it. So make sure you do remove your makeup before you are going ahead to wash your face with the cleanser. So I'm not even going to go with the second time. I'm just using just the one time where I dipped it, and it's already taking off all my makeup. You can see it has started to come off. I'm just taking all the things on this side actually. You can see I have done with half of the side. I just had gloss, so it's not going to take a lot of time. But if I had Lipsons, I need to just apply oops to break it down a bit, and then I can wipe it with the what is it, like wipe it with the thing. And here I'm going to start using the wipes on the other side. These are actually really big ones, I would say. If you are someone who doesn't want to waste, you can even cut this into two and use it. If you don't have a lot of makeup, then you just need half of it. So this is the size. I'm going to just wipe it on the other side. And as I said, except the waterproof mascara, everything else, the non-waterproof and all, if you just keep pressing it, it will obviously come down easily. You can see it's already started to taking off all my foundation. And the it's like a, what is it, like the moisturizing wipe in the cotton towelette we used to get it in air travel. That's how it feels, because that's the purpose of that in the air travel too, right? Like, I mean, to make you feel fresh when you are inside for a long time. So it gives the same feel, like, I mean, your skin feel refreshed and kind of soaked in moisture. So you can see it has almost taken all my makeup on both sides. So it's basically your preference. If you're if you're traveling, then these what is it, like wipes makes it so easy. And you can see the flop, it's really tight actually. That way it holds the moisture locked in very well. So that's again you need to consider when you have wipes, because you don't want a wipe to dry out, then it will be like no use of it to wipe it. So here is the wipe. You can see it has taken all the ones on the left side, and here is the one I used, the liquid one. So both sides have made me taken out all the makeup. And make sure you do it. And whoever have signed up for the makeup class, they got the Foops Remover wipes samples, so that way you can try before buying. And if you are someone who wears CCTM or even foundation, make sure you take off the makeup before you go ahead and wash your face at night, because that's one important step. If you don't want to break out and have any what's it, like skin issues, then always take out your makeup before going to bed, because the nighttime the skin will turn, and all these gunk and all these makeup will go and clog your pores. Because see, the skin has to breathe, so make sure you clean it well and then apply all the skincare routine and then go to bed. That way they can soak in the moisture. Yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Have a wonderful day.